जय श्री राम बाबा जी।
We'll start our yatra of Om. And again today also, as much as you can try to let go anything and everything which is inside bothering you, troubling you, so that you can easily merge with the universe. Hmm? Shri Sachidanand Sadguru Sainath Maharaj ki jai. शांति शांति। सोमो डोर बंद कर देना। उस साइंस की शक्ति दे रहे हैं सब कुछ आएगा। श्री सच्चिदानंद सद्गुरु साईनाथ महाराज की जय। अध्याय 4 चैप्टर 4 गौली बुआ। लगभग 95 वर्ष की वयोवृद्ध भक्त जिनका नाम गौली बुआ था, पंडरी के एक वारकरी थे। वे 8 मास पंढरपुर में तथा 4 मास आषाढ़ से कार्तिक तक गंगा घाट पर निवास करते थे। सामान ढोने के लिए एक गधे को अपने पास रखते थे और एक शिष्य भी सदैव उनके साथ रहता था। वे प्रतिवर्ष वारी लेकर पंढरपुर जाते और लौटते समय श्री साईं बाबा के दर्शनार्थ शिरडी जाते थे। बाबा पर उनका अगाध्य प्रेम था। वे बाबा की ओर एकटक निहारते और कह उठते थे, ये तो पंढरीनाथ श्री विट्ठल के अवतार हैं, जो अनाथ नाथ दीन दयालु और दीनों के नाथ हैं। गौली बुआ श्री विठोबा के परम भक्त थे। उन्होंने अनेक बार पंडरी की यात्रा की तथा प्रत्यक्ष अनुभव किया कि श्री साईं बाबा सचमुच में ही पंढरीनाथ हैं। विट्ठल स्वयं प्रकट हुए। श्री साईं बाबा की ईश्वर चिंतन और भजन में विशेष अभिरुचि थी। वे सदैव अल्लाह मालिक पुकारते और भक्तों से कीर्तन सप्ताह करवाते थे। इसे नाम सप्ताह भी कहते हैं। एक बार उन्होंने दासगणों को कीर्तन सप्ताह करने की आज्ञा दी। दासगणों ने कहा कि आपकी आज्ञा मुझे शिरोधार्य है, परंतु इस बात का आश्वासन मिलना चाहिए कि सप्ताह के अंत में विट्ठल अवश्य प्रकट होंगे। परंतु साथ ही भक्तों में तीव्र श्रद्धा और तीव्र उत्सुकता का होना भी अनिवार्य है। ठाकुर नाथ की पंडरी, विट्ठल की पंडरी, रणछोड़ की द्वारका, यही तो है। किसी को दूर जाने की आवश्यकता नहीं है। क्या विट्ठल कहीं बाहर से आएंगे? ये तो यहीं विराजमान है। जब भक्तों में प्रेम और भक्ति का स्रोत प्रभावित होगा तो विट्ठल स्वयं ही प्रकट हो जाएंगे। सप्ताह समाप्त होने के बाद विट्ठल भगवान इस प्रकार प्रकट हुए। काका साहब दीक्षित सदैव की भांति स्नान करने के पश्चात जब ध्यान करने बैठे तो उन्हें विट्ठल के दर्शन हुए। दोपहर के समय जब वे बाबा के दर्शनार्थ मस्जिद पहुंचे तो बाबा ने उनसे पूछा, क्या विट्ठल पाटिल आए थे ना? वे बहुत चंचल हैं, उनको दृढ़ता से पकड़ लो। यदि थोड़ी सी असावधानी की तो वे बचकर निकल जाएंगे। ये प्रातःकाल की घटना थी। दोपहर के समय उन्हें पुनः दर्शन हुए। उसी दिन एक चित्र बेचने वाला 25-30 चित्र लेकर वहां बैठने आया। ये चित्र ठीक वैसे ही थे जैसे कि काका साहब विश्व को ध्यान में दर्शन हुए थे। चित्र देखकर और बाबा के शब्दों का स्मरण कर काका साहब को बड़ा विस्मय और प्रसन्नता हुई। उन्होंने एक चित्र सहज खरीद लिया और अपने देवघर में प्रतिष्ठित कर दिया। ठाणे के अवकाशवाद बावलदार श्री बी वी देव अपने अनुसंधान के द्वारा ये प्रमाणित कर दिया कि शिरडी और पंढरपुर की परिधि में आता है। दक्षिण में पंढरपुर श्री कृष्ण का प्रसिद्ध स्थान है और शिरडी ही द्वारका है। श्री साई लीला पत्रिका 12 के अंक 1, 2, 3 के अनुसार द्वारका ही एक और व्याख्या सुनने में आई है, जो कि नारायण अय्यर द्वारा लिखित भारतवर्ष का स्थायी इतिहास में स्कंद पुराण भागवत 2 पृष्ठ 90 की उदित की गई है। ये इसी प्रकार है। चतुर्मार्पणी वार्गणा यत्र द्वारणे सर्वता अतो द्वारावती युक्ता विदित भस्त वधाभी। जो स्थान चारण वर्णों के लोगों के को धर्म, अर्थ, काम और मोक्ष के लिए सुलभ हो, दर्शनाभी लोग उसे द्वारका के नाम से पुकारते हैं। शिरडी में बाबा की मस्जिद केवल चारण वर्णों के लोगों के लिए नहीं, अपितु दलित, अस्पृश्य और भागोजी शिंदे जैसे कोड़ी आदि सभी के लिए खुली थी। अतः शिरडी को द्वारका कहना सर्वथा उचित ही है। तो first is the basic in understanding is that when Baba is trying to explain one of the characters at those time, Gauli Bua, who used to travel through Shirdi to Pandharpur. All of you know about Pandharpur? No, right? So Pandharpur is Vitthal Bhagwan's Sthan. So if you see, there's a brass form, Matas or Krishnas there. Small one, you might see a little here. You get it. That is Vitthal Bhagwan. Vitthal Bhagwan Ma Rukmani is to be Lord Krishna's form. The people towards that side of Maharashtra are very much into Pandharpur, Pandrinath, Vithala. So once you start to attain the level of devotion, you start to grow and mature in your relationship with him, you slowly, gradually start to get the insight feelings which starts to change. You start to get kind of a message, some pictures, imaginations. Imagining is not your imagination. It's kind of a, when you close your eyes, you see something, you start feeling about it, the energy changes and all. That is how it happened with Gauli Bua. Whenever they would come, leave, stay, but feel that there's no difference between going to Pandharpur and being here, but while traveling. What is the purpose? We'll come back to this. Why was this explanation done? And the second one, when explaining about it, Vitthal, like, when do chanting and smaran we were doing for a week's time. And Das Guru Maharaj Ji was always known for the bhajans and sadhas. He said, we'll do chanting. Baba said, let's do chanting for a week, Nam Sapta. He said, I will do, but I want Vitthal Bhagwan's darshans to happen. Now, they have cut a line in this. What we need to understand is, Baba said that, I'm not saying he will not come. He will come provided you have the same intensity. So what does this mean? It means that when we are chanting, right, how much of a devotion or commitment we have towards it is the key. Supposedly you're just, we're doing Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya. Now the chanting is there, but the feelings are missing. The tongue is only chanting, or I have to just do my chanting, or this is part of my routine of chanting. But my inside is not connected with the chanting. So once you're not connected with the chanting, how do you expect to feel the warmth, to have the energies? How would you get that? Just for the sake of chanting, you will not get any results. Trust me, you will not. Like let's do this practice and we'll come back to it, right? Let's do this part. So all of us can get a feeling of how intense and focused if we are, what happens to go by, right? Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. 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 Om Namo Bhagavate Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. 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 Om Namo Bhagavate Vaya. Shri Satchidananda Sadguru Sai Maharaj Ki. Now, everybody on your own. You don't need to explain nobody. You don't need to tell nobody. You can feel yourself what you feel. Right? तीन बहन आप थोड़ा सा इधर हो जाओ थोड़ा सा so I'll give you an example that I don't know I have this since morning inside me. So a few days back I was just walking down. I was not supposed to walk, but I was walking because of it. And all of a sudden, I got too much of pain. I couldn't walk further, so I sat. Now I had feeling thirsty. I had no money in my pocket. Don't know what to do. Somehow, Baba made me calm down and made me under the tree to sit and kind of close my eyes. Like, right there. So my thirst got a little settled. When I woke up, I start pushing. I need something. Now what do I do? I can't walk right now. I'm in pain also and need water also. Shall I go to a gas station? Shall I go to Tim Hortons? What do I do? All of a sudden, I heard some sounds, very familiar language conversation. So I walked down to the home and I said, "Can I get some water to drink?" First, the gentleman looked at me and thought, "Bhaiya, he might pick up my baby and run away the way I am." Right? Somehow, he told the younger child to go and get a bottle. He brought like. The moment I was opening the bottle, I realized this is the only water I have. How long I has to sustain, I don't know. So I took a sip of that, and I only took sip. This. Whenever I would feel very thirsty, I took a sip. And today morning, I don't know what I was doing, and I realized when we know it is so limited, how much do we enjoy? How do we take care of that water bottle and making sure it lasts me longer? How much am I trying to enjoy that sip to take care of my thirst? How much focused I am to be careful of my action. And when I am home, I don't care how much water I'm letting it go. Then I asked Baba, why are you like making me understand this? What is the purpose of this? He said, this is how our breath is. This is how we are. If we don't value what we have, it'll keep flowing and getting into waste. Coffee? Huh? Okay. But if you know that one bottle is the only thing you have, how will you enjoy that? How will you respect that? How will you take care of that? And how carefully will you use that? And I'll tell you one good thing. Why this brought up, I'll tell you. I'm at no man's land that time. I don't know anybody and though I have no clue. But I was in Anand. I was in very much Anand. I didn't have a phone also with me that time. No phone, no wallet. On the way when I was walking on this road only, Baba gave me $2 from this road. I kept it. I kept it at the feet of Baba. But I was very careful. If I spend $2 also, I don't know what will I do next. So I kept it safe. It is better I'll beg a bottle of water. I don't know. And I could sip. And what I did, I would try to get up a little bit and move, whatever little bit of movement. And I went into a comfortable chanting, non-stop chanting with no thoughts, nothing. Let it be whatever it is happening. And I kept on for a long time. It means when you don't need something, keep it away. You don't need everything every time. You don't need your phone all the time. You don't need money all the time. But you need Him all the time. Imagine I can't take Uber. I can't call anybody. I cannot tell anything to anybody. My pain is my pain at that time. and I'm thirsty. I just have one bottle. Passing by, looking at me, what who this person is, and I have nothing to worry. It's completely up to me whenever I can gather strength to do whatever next. Till that time, it's a time of peace. Why I'm sharing with all of you this today is that accountable breaths which we have, if you think it is good for you to realize it, every breath to enjoy it, the story of Vitthal will come. And the second paragraph when Baba said, Das Guru Maharaj said, I will do, I want Vitthal Bhagavan to come. So when the sadhana was happening, he could see Vitthal Bhagavan. He could have second time again he felt his presence. And then after some time he could get a frame picture coming into the market, exactly the darshan he had. Why was that? Because out of everybody, there was one person whose intensity was deeper. So many people were there in the Nam Sapta, they all did not have darshan, only one person got darshan. Because only one person was fully focused and attentive to be part. What does it sense for all of us? Very simple. If you really want something, what do you do? What do you do? All of you. Raghu, what do we do? Raja?
To work towards that if you need something.
What do we do?
To work to get that.
Work to that. Right? You want to apply for a job, you keep sending your resumes, you meet, whatever, everything you do, right? So if you do all that for your need, keep on applying, modifying, changing, why can't we do to ourselves, towards Him? Why are we not thinking that we will not get the opportunity once the water is finished in the bottle? Then there's no second opportunity. There's nothing after leaving the body. There's nothing. You can be angry, you can be mad, you can be sad, but that is not the purpose of life, getting angry, mad, and sad. Is that the purpose? No, it's not. Then what is the purpose? Rising above getting angry, mad, and sad. Anger can come, it's fine. But then overcome that. You can be sad, but overcome that. You can be mad, but overcome that. It's fine, it's a journey. Then what do we do? How do we do it? Huh? पांडुरंग विठले हरिनारायण पुरंदरा विठले हरिनारायण हरिनारायण भजो नारायण साई नारायण सत्यनारायण विठला बाबा विठला विठला Sai Vithala Pandurang Vitale Harinarayan Purandara Vitale Harinarayan Harinarayan Bhajanarayan Sai Narayan Satyanarayan Vitala Baba Vitala. पुत्र आप एक बात समझो, किसी समय में आप स्वयं बच्चे थे, राइट? आपका बचपन, आप बड़े हुए, हम सब बड़े हुए, जिम्मेदारियां बढ़ी, हमारे परिवार बदले, रिश्ते बदले, सब अपने अपने रास्ते चले गए, सब everybody went on their own way, right? As the time went on, we all went on, passing by. From childhood to the stage 1, 2, 3, 4. Today we have a different family, different timings and everything. Where are we today, Buddha? Where are we? Who are we? Are we just a machine of production, of money, family, wealth? Who are we? Have we ever thought that I may not get this opportunity again to meet you? I may not get the opportunity again to connect with you. If I may not get that, what am I supposed to do? Am I going to live my life all the time chasing things, settling things, worrying for things? Or am I going to try on a daily basis to actually upgrade myself? You don't upgrade your systems, your mobile phones, your computers, your antivirus. You do everything, right? New softwares, everything. Some of you have a job of troubleshooting. So where are you troubleshooting your own self? Where are you upgrading your own antivirus? Where? It is just a very small reminder, bache. I that whole time when I was having that water bottle and was lying down on the ground, open under the sky, don't know nobody knows me. My pain, my name, that is the time I had. Why are we sharing this? Is that experience of Gauli Bua, what Baba's teaching us, experience of Vitthal Bhagwan to come, it is all intensity of love. The faith you carry. If you don't work on this now, how can you help anybody else? Your job is not to just upgrade yourself. Don't get into this just. You should be able to give back. You should be able to teach back. You should be able to support back. You should be able to be an example to people around you. There is a modification towards us. There is something different in you. People should be able to tell you that. How do you tell your child, your family, you're wonderful, good, child worked hard, got some results, good job, promotion. Where is our promotion? We expect an annual growth in our jobs. We expect an annual turnover growth in our business. Where is our own annual growth? We talked about it last time. One step every day. I don't know how many of you really practiced in last 1 week, but what I'm just requesting all of you, that if you are not willing to upgrade, if you are not willing to promote yourself, if you're not willing to get a better turnover of your breath, if you're not willing to have some good antivirus to protect you from and anything which is going to impact you, what is the fun of living? We always talk about that Baba's bhajan. शुक्र कर तू के तूफान हजारों मिले, शुक्र कर तू के साईं शरण मिल गई, जितना भी गमों ने घेरा हो साईं का दीप जला लेना, चाहे शाम हो चाहे सवेरा हो, तुझको जीना है जी सब्र के घूट पी, शुक्र कर तू के ये जिंदगी मिल गई, शुक्र कर तू के तूफान हजारों मिले, शुक्र कर तू के साईं शरण मिल गई, शुक्र कर तू के साईं शरण मिल गई। पुत्र कभी आप कभी सोचते हो हमारे घर में मनी प्लांट हो, हमारे घर में ये हो, एवरीथिंग वी वांट, बट व्हाट अबाउट मनी प्लांट इनसाइड? I have to do my job every day. I have to get up, get ready, get to the system, get to my whatever you guys do. And end of the year, the company must give me a raise of at least 50 cents. Even in the property of lease, they want you to increase your rent, right? Landlords want to increase their rents. Irrespective of appreciation of the property. Yeah? So what is more important, mera bacha? What is important? The limited time of our breath. Imagine sometimes back, all of us hair were very black. Now we all have gray hairs. Don't we have a realization we're running out of time? We're running out of time. Any day, some one hair will pluck guy. फिर क्या करेंगे? Then what will we do? If we did not get hurry into time of body we are, then where are we going to get? When are we going to get? We have time and planning for everything. We are budgeting for everything. Is do we have a budgeting for ourselves on a day-to-day basis? Do we have a planned time to every day to promote ourselves to next level, next level, next level, next level, next level? We want darshan of Bhagwan. We want to connect with him. We want to enjoy his company. What have we done to do that? What have we done? Just daily routines, daily affairs. It's fine. You have to take care of your families. You have to earn for your families. Yes, you need to work for yourself to sustain also. Definitely, you have to do that. But out of all that, you have to have some period of time to take out to be upgrading yourself, upgrading your system. That's what I'm saying. I'm not saying nothing. Just upgrade your system. Keep downloading something good. I really don't know how many of you have a trash. So this is trash. Out. Junk. Remove. Some good memories. Archive. Let's go. Ranveerji is smiling. But this is what you need to do. Keep your ink box empty. On a day-to-day basis, keep your ink box empty. So new downloads can happen. What you don't need, junk it, delete it, remove it, trash can. It is not that simple, mera bacha. If you have really worked hard, then every day you will get something new. You will enjoy something new. I'll give you the example, okay? So Saturdays are normally responsibility of Deepak ji coming in the evening, huh? Normally. So I told Karthik ji, you don't come on Saturdays, you take a break because Deepak and Shalina ji come. So they help me for Shej Aarti, you can take a break. We modified that. So for last two Saturdays, they didn't show up. Baba knew this very well. I did not know. He knew. So I was leaving the warehouse yesterday. I just was about to drive, and Aman said, Babaji, please take someone with you. This is like, if you can drop her there. I said, okay, come. I was gone almost when he stopped me. Sit. So we come here, it is approximately 5:45. Started preparing for Arati. So one more child had called me up that we want to come because Baba blessed them with a child. It was 3 months, so they wanted to bring that child also to have Baba's blessing. They had when we were they then they brought some snacks for Baba. So we all had a cup of tea and snacks, enjoyed. As we were having, one more volunteer, a gentleman comes to Saidam, also in volunteer. He just came over. He said, I was in Malta. I said, I want to come. He comes. That family you came, they left. But baby was getting little. And the gentleman stayed. And Baba, it was clear indication for me. Baba had made the arrangement for her to be taken home and completely out of. Baba made all the arrangements. He took care of everything. Why is this? When you live for him, he will live for you. When you think of him, he will think of you. When he is your first point of feeding, he will make your feeding arrangements for you. First is him. First you give him, then only he can do it to you. If he is your priority, then you will be his priority. If he is if he is not your priority, then you are not priority for him too. क्यों खुजली कर रहे हैं दीपक जी? नहीं, कुछ नहीं पता लगा। राजा, कई जन्म लग जाते हैं उस तक पहुंचने, कई जन्म लग जाते हैं उसको पाने में। जब मौका मिलता है तो हम नाव से ही उतर जाते हैं। हम उस नाव में बैठ नहीं पाते क्योंकि हमें लगता है कि नाव बहुत ज्यादा हिलती है, पानी गहरा है कि डूब ना जाऊं। ये भूल जाते हैं कि मैं पतवार चला ही नहीं रहा। आई एम नॉट डूइंग राइट, आई एम नॉट मूविंग। देयर इज अ भजन राइट, मेरी नाव चल रही है पतवार के बिना ही। You know, when you sit on the boat, you need to paddle it. He's saying, my boat is already moving without paddling. Who's paddling that? You. Right in the depth, right in the depth of ocean, when there's all water all around, it is all ocean all around. My small boat is in that ocean, and you are letting it flow with your grace. Who is it? कहते हैं देखो नारायण को क्षीर सागर में रहते हैं. He lives in क्षीर सागर, right? But he doesn't get wet with the water. He's in the depth of ocean. कहते शिव साधना में है. He's beyond. पर हवाएं उनका कुछ बिगाड़ नहीं सकती. तो किसी ने पूछा वो पानी से भीगते नहीं, हवा से कुछ होता नहीं. कहते क्यों ऐसा होता है? कहते क्योंकि वही जल है, वही वायु. He is the water, he is the air, he is the wind. How will it be? How? अगर सचमुच सचमुच चाहते हो, अगर you really want, if you really want, then on a daily basis check your trash. On a daily basis remove what you don't want. On a daily basis updating yourself. Have a solid antivirus which doesn't let anybody impact you. What do you call it? What kind of a mal something? The mails which are like
Malware.
Malware. Right? Don't let them impact you. Then you will know the taste. Then you will enjoy the flavor. Shri Ram Ram Ram, Shri Ram Ram Ram, Shri Ram Ram Ram, Shri Ram Ram Ram, Ram Raghuvar Ram Sita, Ram Ram Ram, Ram Raghuvar Ram Sita, Ram Ram Ram, Shri Ram Ram Ram, Shri Ram Ram Ram. Shri Sachidanand Sadguru Sainath Maharaj ki jai. मेरे बच्चों, pay attention. Please pay attention. Please pay attention. Please. We have very little time. Don't let it go. Please. Huh? Hey Raghu. Very little time, Raja. Let's enjoy. Let's make it we should have a thirst. We should create a thirst कि हम यहाँ मिले तो वहां नहीं मिल सकते क्या? कुछ ऐसा नहीं हो सकता कि इस दुनिया से उस दुनिया की यात्रा एक साथ हो जाए? हाँ? चल मेरा बच्चा. Let's do the prayer. हाँ? लोका समस्ता सुखिनो भवन्तु समस्त लोका सुखिनो भवन्तु, लोका समस्ता सुखिनो भवन्तु, समस्त लोका सुखिनो भवन्तु, लोका समस्ता सुखिनो भवन्तु, समस्त लोका सुखिनो भवन्तु। श्री सच्चिदानंद सदगुरु साईनाथ महाराज की। साईं मेरा बच्चों, साईं 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 साईं।